Hi, my name is Ali Fiesler, and for my ETC 527 Web 2.0 Technology Integration Project, I decided to cover Office 365 and Kahoot web tools. So, what is Office 365? Office 365 is the online and offline tool that gives students and teachers access to Microsoft applications such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. While I was looking further into Office 365, I learned that if you are a student or educator, then you're able to access Office 365 for free with a valid school email address. The next question is, how do I use Office 365 in my classroom? I cover Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in my technology application class and use Microsoft OneNote as our LMS, which is how I track my students and how students gain access to all assignments, quizzes, and materials from my class. The reason why I decided to go with this route instead of Google Classroom is because my current district is an Office 365 district. Therefore, it is more compatible and relevant for my students. One benefit that my district offers and that hardly gets used is that all students and employees receive 5 free licenses each year where they are able to download Office 365 on their personal device. The next Web 2.0 tool I'm going to cover is Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based classroom response system where the whole class can participate in real time. I believe this is a great tool for using technology and to review quizzes, discussions, and surveys. I use Kahoot to evaluate the students' learning over the current lesson or topic we are covering. I believe Kahoot motivates students with a game-based feel where students are able to interact with each other in real time using their technology device. The biggest motivator I see when using this tool is the top 5 leaderboard that shows up after each question. Each student wants on that board, so it motivates them to answer the questions the correctly and the quickest. The biggest pro I see when using these two tools are that they are both free. It cuts back on copies. You're able to access anywhere with internet connection, makes grading easier on you, and gives students instant feedback. The lesson overview and objective. The students will be able to format text in a document. Teachers will evaluate student knowledge by using Kahoot. Students will complete a Microsoft Word document assignment to show mastery. The TEKS that are being covered are the 6th grade technology TEKS. Materials that are needed is a computer with internet access. And this lesson should only take one 50-minute class period. For the lesson, I'm going to show a video from gcflearnfree.org. It is an online free web resource that provides many tutorials to help anyone learn the essential skills they need to live and work in the 21st century. As a class, students will become familiar with how to format text, including changing font size, font color, changing case, highlighting, and aligning text by watching this short video from gcflearnfree.org. At our district, 6th grade is the first chance students are able to take a full computer class. Students have access in elementary, but for only one day a week, so their knowledge of computers and technology is very limited. Once the students have reviewed and gone over the key concepts, the students will be directed to Kahoot, where the students' learning will be evaluated. Once we review Kahoot, I will be able to tell if the students are ready to advance on or not. If I feel that they are not ready to move on, then we will review their weak areas as a class. Once the students are ready to move on, they will complete the instructional activity, formatting text. Students will be able to access and complete this assignment in Office 365. I created a mock class so you can see what it looks like. So from the Office 365 class or homepage, you will be able to click on OneNote and you'll be directed to your class notebooks. You will see the ETC 527 class notebook and you will click on that class. It will be directed to your class notebook. You will click on Assignments and then find the font. Then the students will be able to review the assignment and complete the assignment here. The students will be able to complete the assignment. It will automatically save and submit to me. My mission with this lesson is to have 100% understanding for each component before we move on. So, I believe that technology is a building block where students must learn each step before moving on. Thank you for taking the time to learn how I utilize these two tools in my classroom.